Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Azure Storage queues with Synapse for orchestration step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Azure portal. Once logged in, navigate to your Azure Synapse workspace. On the left-hand menu, select the Integrate option. In the Integrate hub, click on the plus icon to create a new pipeline. Choose Pipeline from the options presented. Give your pipeline a descriptive name in the Properties panel. Next, search for and select the Azure Queue Storage connector. Drag the connector onto the pipeline canvas. Now, configure the Azure Queue Storage settings. Select New beside the account name to create a new linked service. In the linked service configuration, provide your Azure Storage account name and access key. Test the connection to ensure it's working properly. Once the connection is validated, save your linked service. Return to the pipeline and select your Azure Queue Storage connector again. Choose the action to send messages to the queue. In the Settings panel, specify the queue name where messages will be sent. Next, map any required message properties or content. You can add additional activities to orchestrate steps around your queue operations if desired. After configuring all the necessary activities, click on the Debug button to test your pipeline. Review any errors that may arise during the debugging process. Once debugging is complete and successful, publish your pipeline. To start your pipeline on a schedule, navigate to the Triggers tab within your pipeline. Create a new trigger based on your desired scheduling criteria. Finally, activate the trigger to enable regular executions of your pipeline with Azure Storage queues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.